Hello everyone, welcome to Math Cyberspace. This is Dipendu Konai. If you are new to my channel, then please subscribe our channel and stay with us. Here I have uploaded the solutions and the lecture videos of higher mathematics. Also, I am uploading the new notifications regarding the assistant professorship exam and the same type of exams notifications. And today there is a new notification from Adamas University, and this is from Kolkata, West Bengal. First of all, you have to go to the Google and type adamasuniversity.ac.in, which is the official website of Adamas University, and go to the bottom of this page, and you will see that here given the current vacancies. If you click here, then you will go to this page. Here given, we are hiring for the recruitment in the position of professor, associate professor, assistant professor, technical assistant, and non-technical assistant. So if you click here, then you can see the notification. Here is the notification. Adamas University invites applications from qualified professionals for the following teaching and non-teaching positions. Not only the teaching positions, here also the non-teaching positions. Candidates with excellent academic records and working in related areas are encouraged to apply. And for professor, associate professor, assistant professor, and technical assistant, there are many subjects here: agricultural, chemistry, geography, mathematics, physics, English language and literature, Bengali language and literature, history, political science, public administrations. There are lots of subjects here. I'll request you to download the PDF and you can read all the subjects here. Applications are also invited for various non-teaching positions. If you want to apply for non-teaching position, then you may apply here. For qualification and other details of above mentioned posts, please visit this website, this link. And here also given that the selection of the candidates will be based on the experience and qualifications, and as per UGC norms. According to the UGC guidelines, the selection will be held there. Interested candidates are requested to share their resumes along with scanned copies of self-attested testimonials and other academic credentials by email to, and you have to send your CV, that is resume, and scanned copies of self-attested testimonials and other academic credentials. That means your Madhyamik admit cards, marksheets of HS, graduation, MSc, all the testimonials, and also if you are under any category, then you have to submit your category certificate also and send it to this email. And I will suggest you to collect all these documents and make a PDF and send here. And this Adamas University, here is the address: Barasat Barakpur Road, uh, Jagannathpur District, 24 Parganas, Kolkata, 126. Not only that, here you have to fill an application form. Here given application form for the teaching staff and application form for the non-teaching staff. I am saying only for teaching staff. Here two documents are given. Click here to document to download now, and this is the Word file and this is the PDF file. You can download any one of these. I am downloading the PDF file. Here, this is the application form. You have to fill this application form, fill all the matrices here given, and after that you have to make this, you have to make a PDF including this application form and send this to that email. Okay, I think this will be very helpful for you. If you are interested and if you think that you are eligible for this post, then please apply here and stay with us for more updates like this type of videos. Thank you. If you seems that this is beneficial for you, then please share with your friends and stay with us. Thank you.